I'd like to thank Cometeer for sponsoring this video. Cometeer brews coffee from top specialty roasters and flash freezes it to lock in the best flavors and aroma. These coffee capsules are made of 100% recyclable aluminum and are sealed to last up to 3 years in your freezer. You can make a cup of hot coffee directly from freezer to cup. Or for a latte, you can melt the frozen coffee in the fridge overnight and simply add it to hot or cold milk. You can even use it in desserts. Brewing coffee every day can be tedious and time-consuming, but Cometeer takes the effort and guesswork out so that you can enjoy it however you like, whenever you like. Get 15 cups for free on your first subscription with my code LENA, or click the link in the description. You can pause or cancel anytime. No pressure, just quality and convenience. Okay, let's get back to baking.